Okay guys, welcome to this video. Today we're testing out the D70 drone from Amazon, and we just got it like a couple of days ago and I just unboxed it like yesterday night. So today we're gonna see how it flies. So you see here's the propeller, so in case it you crash into a tree and it breaks one of the propellers. In the box, it comes extra, so in case you break it. And there's a camera over here to take videos or photos. And here's the controller. And to turn on the drone, just long press this, and you see a red light. I don't know if you see it does, but there's gonna be a red light. And there's gonna be a light flashing over here, but you can't see because of the sound. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna fly it. So here, just press the controller like this, and it will just
fire.
Now press this button for takeoff and landing. So if you want to take it off, just press this button, and when you want to land it, just press it again. And there's 3 speeds. Press it for speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. Okay, so we're now gonna test it out and see how it works. Oh, we're just gonna wait a bit because the wind's kind of strong. Yeah, okay.
It's not mine.
So this is the drone, and we are flying it. So we're gonna show what it has. Okay, this is the third speed. The wind is kind of high. This is the third speed. This is the fourth speed. This is the second speed. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna hit you those. Okay, you guys, it's kind of windy over here, so I can't.
No, it's going too far.
Okay guys, now we're gonna test out it usually comes with grips, but mine's not working with the grips, but we'll test it out. It's kind of hard to fly right now because it's really windy here in Calgary. But if you press this button over here, wait, show the camera. Press it one time, it will do this. It's kind of windy over here. And long press this button, and long press the same button to do circle flying mode. Okay, I think that's all it has, because the flips is not usually working on this one, so yeah. So now to land it, press the same button as we took off, and it will land like that. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna take it up again. And we're gonna take it over here. So you guys can see over here and over here. Over here is gonna be kind of windy, so I'm gonna steer it with it. Long. So we're gonna land it. So press the same button to land. Okay. Now, okay, you guys. We just flied it and it sounds pretty good.
Hey.
We're gonna do the camera next, but we're not gonna do it in this video. So in the next video, part 2, we're gonna test the camera and we're gonna fly in my house and see how it works. Because it's kind of windy here, but it's good. It's good.